Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Sefti Novita, with name 13 for the management study program. Uh, well, here I will explain the material about the subject and part agreement. Okay, next. Some sentences in English have only one subject and verb. And it is very important that you find the subject and verb in the sentence. In a phrase sentence, it's easy to find the subject and the verb. However, certain structure such as object, preposition, appositives, and participles can cause confusion in finding the subject and verb because each other structure can look a subject or verb. The object or the preposition can be mistaken for the subject. Okay, therefore you should be able to do the following in a sentence with one subject and a verb. Number one, make sure the sentence has a subject and a verb. Number two, be careful with prepositional and a positive object when you search for a subject. And number three, be careful with present participle and past participle when you search for verbs. And then example number one is supported for miles away. Uh, ah, Yesterday, B. In the morning, C. Traffic. R. Okay, in this example, you should immediately notice that there is a verb was, but no subject. Answer C is the most appropriate answer because in this singular subject that matches the singular verb was. And then, but be careful with a positive. A positive is a noun that comes before or after another noun and has the same meaning. Sally, the best student in the class, gets an A in the exam. In this example, Sally is the subject of the sentence and the best student in the class can be easily recognized as an appositive phrase because of the student noun and because of the comma. Next, the sentence say that Sally and the best student in the class are the same person. Note that if you ignore the appositive phrase, the sentence still makes sense. Sally got an A on the best. And then the following example show how the appositive can be compositive with the subject of a sentence in the structure section of the TOEFL test. Next, present participle. The present participle is the ing form of the verb. In this part of the verb form of the verb be. The train is arriving at the station now. Verb. In this sentence, arrive is part of the verb because in this accompanied by its And then the past participle, form of the verb that appears with have or be. If often end in n, but there are also many irregular past participants in English. Okay, well, that's all my explanation. Thank you. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.